Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, for whatever reason, I could not get anywhere near Silver 3 today. They just, every time I'd try, I'd get defeated. But I did manage to get my reward. So let's go ahead and do the reward and the pack opening. I'm kind of in a hurry today, so I'm going to make a short video. But before I do that, let me show you the numbers real quick like I do. If I can get it to come up. There it is. Okay. Those are my rules. This is day actually 68. And I didn't have to put in any money last night because I've already bought the packs. But these are the numbers. If I was to cash out today, pay myself back the $444 I put in, I would walk away with $331. I've been doing videos since the 7th, started in January. So I'm a little over 2 months into this on this personal $10,000 challenge to see if I can get it up to that by the beginning of next year. Splinterlands has nothing to do with this. Let's go open up the pack. I don't have to open packs. I do it because they're fun and they're good for the video. People like to watch other people open packs. It can help, but you don't have to try to do what I'm doing. And I'll show you that here in a second. So, pack, and it takes 5 potions per pack, because one for each. And I've got 5 legendary and 5 gold. So that doubles my chances for both on each card. So that's a rare. See how it lights up? That's a rare. That's a rare. And 3. So it looks like I got 3 rares, 2 common. You're guaranteed at least 1 rare. And all these can be gold, but these can only be common gold. So let's do the commons first. That's a nice card. Use him all the time. That is a rare. These could be summoners too, but that's not. That's a combat card. That's a summoner and a gold. Yes! $40 right there. And this is my strategy, collecting the summoners in the gold. That was sweet. Okay, very nice pack. I'm very happy with that. That takes up for the reward that I missed out on the silver, which I got to go back and open that, but I'm very happy with this. These are all NFTs. You buy them, you or win them or pay for them in the market with accumulated DC. They, by destroying them and combining them, make them more powerful. And let me tell you something, why I decided to change my strategy up a few days ago and go to Summoner Gold. Summoners are what, and that's a summoner too. I just realized that. Okay, so I got 2 summoners out of this. That's like a $3 card, but that's 40, 30, 40. The reason I went gold is you have to have summoners and you have to advance them in order to get more powerful. Without them, you can't bring in more powerful cards. And the best summoner cards are the gold cards. And right now, out of the packs, you have, you're getting these cards. The summoners are the cheapest summoners you can get until they run out, the packs run out, and then they start going up in value. So that's my strategy. Doesn't mean that's not a good strat or bad strategy or good, and yours is not going to be better, but that is perfect for me. So that was a very nice pack I opened. But anyway, here's the potions, and they actually work this time because it's 1 per card, so you need 5 per pack to make it, work. You don't have to have potions to get a good card. The best card I still ever gotten, even better than the one I got today, was a Freddy Ryzen. It's worth about $120 right now. It's a gold legendary, so that's one I'm going to be sitting on for the rest of my life. And so, like I said, I don't have much time, so let's go back and do. I usually would get 2 chests if I was in silver, but I'm only going to get 1. And the price is, and the price is not going to be as good as it would if I was in silver level. But I'm out of time and I need to get going. And I'll work on that tonight to get it back up into silver. So I got a free potion, so I'll use that tomorrow. And that's an alchemy, so that would be the gold, I believe. The gold. Doubles your chance for a gold card. Okay, these are all the ways you can make money. DEC, by renting the cards out, you get DEC. By battling, once you get the bronze 2 or higher, you start earning in DC. And buying and selling. Buying and selling is the best way. If you don't want to invest your own money, you got to get good on the market of buying and selling. And the way I do it is I go to Splinterland or Splinter Cards website, and I look up for that 24, 48-hour period what cards are at a discount. And what I mean by that is they've dropped in price. And then I buy those up with the DC I got. And then I sit on them until they go up. I always buy at a discount. And when a card goes down, I know you think, well, why would you want to buy a card that goes down? It means it's no good. No, it just means it's at a discount. And it works for me. You might have a different way. There's an affiliate program here you can join and promote it. There's a URL. It's embedded with your ID, and you can pass it on to friends and family, or you can promote it, and people will sign up. Don't get upset if they don't do nothing at first. I'm a marketer. I've been doing this for a couple of years. You want to stockpile signups because you never know when a sleeper will just wake up and start playing. So don't let that bother you. What's good is if you're just getting them and getting them signed up underneath you. But you get 5% of everything they buy for the rest of your life. The daily battles, like I said, is a way. At the end of the season, in 4 days, I'm going to get 9 chests. Right now, silver, I'll get 12. I should be in silver. I don't see why I wouldn't be. So that's a way to build up your asset value. And then you got the market, like I just said. Let's go to the shop real quick. And as of right now, I've bought 89 packs. So for every pack that I've bought, I got a small percentage in the airdrop that they do every million packs to get a legendary card. And right now they got to sell 208,000 more, 200,008, 500,000. And then I will get one of these. I got 2 from this drop, none in this one, none in this one. I had 43 packs then. So I'm hoping at least get 1, but it's a small percentage, but theoretically you could get 89 cards. So there's another one way to make money. The other way is over here, they are dropping free SPS, that's Splinterlands shards, it's their new crypto, for the next 6 months. They've been doing it for a year. And I'm getting about 7 a day, which comes out to about 70 cents. But that's free money. They're just dropping it, giving it to you, depending on what this number is right here, the 77,000, your collection power. And then they add up all these other points, and whatever it is, that's what you get. And I'm getting about 7 right now. And I'm also staking. So I'm getting an extra, that I got that just in the last hour because I just claimed it and put it up in there to stake. So I imagine by the end of the beginning of next year, I'm going to have 2,000 or more SPS, and depending what the price is, that's going to go towards my $10,000, which easily could be $8,000, maybe more, depending on what this does. It's at 12 cents right now. It was at a quarter when I joined, so it's half price. So it could be a couple grand maybe. Let's go to the market. Remember, I said all these cards, you can destroy them and combine them and make them into better cards. Okay. And when you do that, you're also helping everybody else out because it makes them rarer and more valuable. It doesn't make it more powerful for them. It makes it more powerful for you, though. And through the market, it's taking its time to open up. You can go to Peak Monsters, and that's where the transparency is. This is what my value is. Well, hold on. I just got that pack. So let's open that up. 763. It went up $50 because of that. So that might be higher than I thought it was. And so did my point collection. So I actually am better off right now. And the $4 packs, you cannot get what is even worth $4. If you looked at all my videos, that's maybe the 4th really good pack I've gotten, which is good. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it's a gamble. And I do it for the video, and I'm glad I did it today, of course. But you don't have to get potions to get good cards because I got the legendary gold out of that by not having them. And you don't have to buy packs to do it. You can just mess around in the market and make money. And then this is my rental. There's another way to make income. Okay, so that's all the ways to make money. There's also more. You got the arena you can do battles in. Let me show you that real quick, and then I'm going to go. And I'm keeping a record of this so you can see what I did right or wrong for the next year. every day that I can make a video. There might be some days I can't. Right now, they're giving away 104,652 in the next few battles. I don't know if how long of that's in all the scheduled battles. They've already given away 5.5 million almost. So there's another way to make money. I have not gone into it yet. I need to get into a guild and then do the tournaments, and then that will even add more to my $10,000 goal that I'm trying to get to. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Join on my link below. You help me out, but you don't have to pay anything. You can just play the game for free. They give you free cards to play with. Then if you want to open up the platform to the money-making side, you got to buy the $10 spellbook fee. And it's an entry fee, but it's called the spellbook, and it's one time. And before you make that decision, go watch other YouTubers. They'll show you how to play the game. You'll see how passionate this community is about this game, and if you like Yu-Gi-Oh, if you like Pokemon, you're going to love this. I was a big Yu-Gi-Oh player, and this is right up the alley. And I also believe it's a platform that will be around in the next 10 years, unlike others. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.